Dear students, in our previous class, we discussed about ordering of numbers, successor and predecessor of a number. In this class, we will discuss about formation of greatest and smallest number when digits are given to us. So remember, to form the greatest number with the given digits, we write the given digits in descending order, and to form the smallest number, we write the given digits in ascending order. But you have to keep in mind, we cannot write 0 at the extreme left position. Meaning, if we have to write a 5-digit number and we have 5 digits given, and among these 5 digits 1 0 is also there, then 0 will not be at the extreme left place when we write the smallest 5-digit number. Or if 6 digits given and it is asking that write a smallest digit number and greatest digit number, then we can write the greatest number by writing the given digits in the descending order. But when we write the smallest digit number, we will never write 0 at extreme left position. Means when we write the place value chart, then for 6-digit number the extreme left place will be last place. So we will not put 0 at that place. Okay, I am giving an example to you to make you understand. The example is here. Write the greatest and smallest, the greatest and smallest smallest 5-digit number, 5-digit number with digits, 5 with digits 8 1 0 6 2 and 2 6 2. Using each digit once, means we have to use 1 digit at 1. We will not repeat the digits according to the instruction. So we start here to write the solution. The greatest 5-digit number will be written with the given digits. The greatest 5-digit number will be here is equal to, among the digits you are seeing 8 is the greatest one, then 6, then 2, then 1, then 0. So to write the greatest number with the given digits, we write the given digits in descending order. Means first we write 8, then we write 6, then 2, then 1, then 0. So this is the greatest 5-digit number with these digits using one digit at once, and the smallest 5-digit number here you are supposed to write number 5-digit number 8 86210, and the smallest 5-digit number is equal to. Now, as in these digits, 0 is the smallest digit, then 1, then 2, then 6, and then 8. But here we cannot keep 0 at 10,000's place, because to write the 5-digit number we need 5 places, and the most place is the 10,000's place. So if we are keeping 0 at 10,000's place, the 0 has not meaning, and then we have the number only of 4 digits. So we do not write 0 at leftmost place. You remember this one. So we will write 1 instead of writing 0. We write 1 to the leftmost place, and then we write 0, 2, 6, and 8. So this will be the smallest 5-digit number with the given digits, and this will be the greatest 5-digit number with the given digits. Similarly, you can write with the help of given digits, greatest 6-digit number, greatest smallest 7-digit number, greatest 7-digit number, and so on. Okay. Now our next topic is International System of Numeration. Our next topic is here International System of Numeration. Try to understand. International System of Numeration. As you have already studied about Indian system of numeration, and I hope that you must have read in class 4 about international system of numeration also. But here also I am going to discuss. First we will draw the place value chart of international system of numeration. In this we are having the periods. Ones period. In ones period we are having 3 places. In ones period we are having 3 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then we are having thousands here. In thousands here we are having 2 places, 3 places, 1000 place, ten thousands place, and 100,000 place. another period that is called million period. Millions period. In this also we are having million period, 10 million and 100 million. So we are observing from this place value chart that in case of international number of system, we are having 3 places in each period. We are having 3 places in each period. So with this place value chart, we can read and write up to 9 digits number, because in one period we are having 3 places. In hundreds periods also we are having 3 places, and in millions period, thousands period also we are having 3 places, and in millions periods also we are having 3 places. So all together we are having 9 places till millions periods. If further digits increased, we can add one more period, that is billions period. Okay, so this is the international system of numeration, and how to write the name of the number in this, try to understand with the help of an example. I am taking a number. Suppose this number I have, and I have to write the names. So I will place each of the digit according to the place value chart. 7 is at 1's place, 6 will be at 10's place, 4 will be at 100's place, 5 will be at 1000's place, 0 will be at 10,000 place, 2 will be at 100,000 place, and 1 will be at million place. Okay. After placing, we will read this number. Only one place is here in millions, that is, and value is 1. So 1 million. In thousands period we are having 3 places. So we read all these 3 places together. So 205,000. 1,205,467. So the number name of this number will be in international system of numeration 1,000,000 Like this, you can write the name of any number in international system of numeration. I hope you understood this class. That is, I discussed here in this class with you formation of greatest number and smallest number, and how to read and write numbers in international system of numeration. So thank you students for this class. Bye.